Yeah, so I actually started out in small cap world. This was can't remember too much, but like 4.5, 5 years ago. No idea what I was doing, and I blew up a few like small accounts at that time, just because I was just kind of learning learning the groove. And then at that time, like I had met Ripster. You all know Ripster, and then we used to
Yeah,
just trade bio tickers. So I tried to basically learn bio tickers. And one of the strategies that I think kind of resonated well with me was there's like a post offering type bio, right? So there's a bio and it does a offering, and then I would figure out when it would settle in after the offering, which is usually below kind of X price, right? And then there would be some sort of run up thereafter. So I got used to kind of figuring out how to attack like a high or low with that, and those were my first setups. But I wasn't nearly those were my highest probability setups at the time, but I wasn't kind of consistently profitable at that time. So basically, I started kind of trading like everybody else with kind of the long-term investments and the ETFs like T triple Q, which is the triple levered kind of ETF that tracks NASDAQ, right? And then I just wanted to kind of be able to compound gains a little faster, right? Without having to put a ton of capital, right? Like I don't want to kind of risk like, at that time, my trading wasn't even kind of, up to par. So there's no reason for me to, kind of risk a ton of capital, right? To,
yeah.
to make a little spread. And so
Hmm.
I ventured into small cap world, and obviously, I got caught in offerings. I did all that, good stuff that everybody else did. And I found a mentor in this guy, Kevin. Most of you don't know who he is, but he was really good with indicators and stuff like that. And he taught me some stuff, and that helped me get a little bit better. So I learned like kind of the simple moving averages, the exponential moving averages, all the indicators you can ever imagine. Like I kind of learned them all. And I didn't just kind of figure out like, okay, RSI is this amount. I really tried to dig deep into the math and kind of understand what I was using. That actually helped me become more profitable, but it wasn't like I wasn't consistent enough, right? And so that was kind of my whole journey. Like I don't know how many accounts I blew up, maybe like five, six, seven, right? They were smaller
Yeah,
at that time, right? But but every single time I would just like reset, I would keep going, reset, keep going. And ultimately I actually got better at those indicators to make them consistently profitable. But it wasn't kind of the key. And as you all probably know from now, right, I kind of have naked charts, and that's kind of my final kind of evolution where I really started to kind of break out. And really, actually, I would say kind of for small cap world specifically, taking notes and having a trading journal on all the personalities of penny tickers and stuff, and happy to kind